simplify the process of creating green roofs, we developed Urbanscape green roof system around our Urbanscape green roll by adding Urbanscape root barrier, Urbanscape drainage layer and pre-vegetated Urbanscape sedum mix blanket. Compared to traditional extensive green roofs, which use heavy loose-fill substrates, Urbanscape green roof system weighs many times less, is able to hold up to 3 times more rainwater, needs no excavated or filled substrates, and is very simple and twice as fast to install, even without gardening skills. Since very resilient sedum plants are pre-vegetated, Urbanscape green roof is fully functional right after finished installation, with no need for additional maintenance. Such characteristics make it ideal solution for any type of roof in any climate zone. Urbanscape green roof system can absorb and store up to 50 liters of rainwater per square meter, which greatly reduces the need for additional irrigation. It also improves sound performance of the roof to up to 7 decibels. Roof lifetime can increase dramatically, since green roof also protects other roof layers from extreme temperatures, mechanical damages and UV radiation. Urbanscape green roof system is offering a living habitat for different animal species, and its blooming plants are proven to attract and provide food for pollinators.